trigonometric ratio. We are having here the concepts, okay? Which concepts we are going to learn here that will be useful to you further, okay? That is trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. The topic here which we are going to learn, that is trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. This word is not new for you. All of you almost well aware about with this word complementary and supplementary angles. Okay, you know very well in supplementary the sum stands 180 degree and in complementary the sum of two angles stands 90 degree. So dear student, here you need to remember this important thing. We are working upon angle A lying between 0 and 90 degree all the way. Okay, so I am here mentioning here the value of angle A. The value of angle A I am choosing here. So here I am mentioning angle A, which is an acute angle, right? So the value of angle A, it lies, so lying between 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, only these, between these two angle we are going to work out. So very simple, please try to understand the concepts, very easy, you will enjoy this thing. First we are having, suppose sine 90 minus A. The complementary angle of sine, it will be cos A. Please remember dear student. Another trigonometric ratio, if I use cos 90 minus A, then it will become sin A. Third is tan, I am applying tan 90 minus A. Complementary angle of tan with the trigonometric ratio, that is cot A. Please remember, they are different than the reciprocal. Don't confuse this thing. Reciprocal is something else and here complementary angle is something else. Cot 90 minus A, then of course it will be tan A. Though they are the reciprocal of each other, but here you can see cos and sine, they are not the reciprocal of each other. Okay, so don't confuse, don't mix up the things or information. Now next is one more is there, sec 90 minus A. So it gives the result cosec A. And suppose I have cosec 90 minus A, then of course it gives the result sec A. These are the pairs of complementary angle. Complement of sine is cos, complementary angle of cos is sine. Complementary angle of tan is cot and complementary angle of cot tan. Complementary angle of sec cosec and complementary angle of cosec is sec. So dear student, here I am giving you few examples. Okay, I am choosing here. I hope this much concepts clear. So I am giving you roughly idea about this angle. Dear student, you learn the concepts of complementary angles. So I am choosing this different angles. Suppose I have sine 30. Of course, sine 30 will be equal to cos 60 because the complementary of sine is cos. And we need to subtract from each and every time this angle, we need to subtract from 90. 90 minus 30, it will be 60. Suppose cos 45 degree. Then of course the complementary angle of cos will be sine and 90 minus 45, that is 45 degree. Okay, let's take one more example. Suppose I have, this is tan 90 degree. Then of course tan 90 degrees, so it will give the result cot 0 degree for which the complementary angle. Clear to you? Suppose here cot 60 degree I am choosing. The complementary angle of cot is tan, you know dear, and 90 minus 60, then it will be 30 degree. Clear? Now suppose I am choosing sec 90 degree. Sec 90 degree, then it will be equal to cosec 0 degree. Okay dear? And cosec, suppose I am choosing 60 degree. cosec 60 degrees, so it will be equal to sec 30 degree. How we are gaining this? Every time we need to subtract the angle from 90, and you need to remember the pair of complementary angles. Okay, so this is the concept which we are going to study in 8.3. I hope it's clear to you.